This is the cutest Japanese convenience store you'll ever see. Welcome to Konbini Chaos, where Momo, Hime, and Chibi discover a world of deliciousness. The sisters' whiskers wiggle with excitement as they enter the store. Hime grabs 5 onigiri Momo, falls in love with the bento boxes, and Chibi gets lost in the drink machine once again. Rice bowls, melon bread, warm mochi, so much to choose from. It's overwhelming. As they make their way through the store, we get close-ups of some of the snacks they find. The cats sit on a nearby bench to eat their snacks under the neon glow of the Konbini sign. With their bellies full of deliciousness, they lay back, purring with satisfaction. Next time you're hungry, follow the cats because they know where the magic is. This has been Konbini Chaos.